Hey guys, welcome back to Diva Styles. In this video, I'm pretty much going to be doing a design for the Kit Kat bar. This was a requested video. I'm just going to go ahead and do a unicorn theme, I guess. So to start, I'm going to go ahead and fill the side, pretty much the back, up with a design. So I'm going to go to Format, Shape, Fill, Picture, and I'm just going to go ahead and use the picture to do this. Oh, my goodness. Come on, laptop, come on. Alright, here we go. From a file. Nope. Where's my downloads? Downloads? Alright, here we go. I'm going to use this one. Alright, there we go. And this gray area is pretty much the only area that I have for the design space, which is going to be on the front. So I'm going to go ahead and shape, fill, and fill that up with a different picture. I'm trying to figure out right now which picture I want to go with. This one or this one. Let's see. I'm gonna go with this one. Let's see. Nope, don't like it. Yeah, don't like that. Alright, let's change it. Try this one. Not too bad, I guess. Let me make it just a little bit smaller. Okay, so now that I got that, the next thing I want to do is pretty much just put in whatever I want in here. I guess I'm gonna go with that unicorn right there, make it a little bit bigger. And all of these images that I have, I downloaded straight from Google. Nothing fancy. Let me see. As well as these borders. Now, I only want to use one of these borders. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to Format. I'm going to go to Crop. And just crop down the photo until I get the one banner, the single banner that I want. So now all I'm left with is the pink one. Let's see if I flip it. No, I don't like that too much. Alright, so, nope. No, not really. Okay, take that out. I don't like that. Insert. Let's see. Shoot. No, let's go back to picture. I guess let's try a frame. Let's see what a frame look like. Let's send the frame backwards. Alright, that's cute. I like that. Alright, let's take all this other stuff off, because we're pretty much not going to use it. So let's go ahead and insert some letters. Happy birthday. Oh goodness, why would I do it in white? That did not make no sense. Alright. Let me shrink down this. Go back to the words. Happy birthday. Let me insert some more. Y'all, I can hear my son from in here. He's sneaking in the goddamn donuts. I can hear it. Lord have mercy. What am I gonna do with that little boy? Okay. Honestly, this whole thing is gonna show. So really, I mean, yeah, let's do it like that. Okay. I think that looks cute. Um, yes. I mean, I don't know what else to do. It's pretty simple. Like I said, always go to Google for any and everything uh that you need, especially for images. As you see, I was on here looking for confetti. If I go back, unicorn banner, PNG, you can pretty. That's okay. Let's see if we can add this. I don't know if that's a PNG, you guys. Let's save it. Alright, now let's go back here and see if we can insert it. Now let's see if we can take the color out. Let's go to recolor, set transparent color. Okay, it did. It worked, you guys. It took out the white background. Yep, so you can very easily, I mean, well, that's just how I do it. Then if I go back again, I went to pastel banner, go back again, pastel sparkles, go back again, pastel backgrounds. I go through tons and tons and tons of pictures until I find exactly what it is that I'm looking for. But pretty much there it is. If it was something else in specific that you were looking for me to do or looking for me to add, please let me know. Yeah, you could also put a barcode on the back if you wanted to, or like a little message right here. You know, like thanks for coming. Yeah, matter of fact, you could do that. Yeah, I think I might leave that regular. Yep, put like a little special message on the back that shows when you close it. I mean, anything. You could even put a nutrition facts if you wanted to, you know, just to make it fancier. But if you have any questions at all, please feel free to ask. And as always,